necessary interventions.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gejala, iba sniaw bhalang dhar. Ila ong ba ya kamat ban khang Khyrdep no ya ka Mawmluh Cherra Cement Limited kadang don hapdeng ke Jingkhang benia da ka sarkar. Ula pentip ru ba kidon ars pa nyopo prangut kinong trei kibat trei hapo jongka MCCL. Haba ai jubab ya kejingkeli ka balabu da UMLA kanong krem iba ardent besayamot usambut Menteri Rangba ula ong ba nadu balas dang ya ka dry process house nam arhajar arpau hadu mentah kani ka karkhana kalakhang lupa. Ulaya thu ba ka sarkar kala dep penlong ya bun teli kijingalang bad Menteri Rangba Gejala harengkat bad UMLA bad UMDC ka than usiem sora nalor ki wedi kinong don benta. Bad ukarmen bahapo ka henriu benai ken sala ban shim ya karai ka bakhadu.
Speaker sir, reply to star question 57. A. Sir, the matter is to close down the Mawmluh Cherra Cement Limited plan. At Cherra is under examination by the government. B. Sir, the total number is 278.
May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount spent by the government to build the new dry process in the MCCL?
No, Mr. Speaker, sir. The dry process, it was so many items are there and huge amounts. So actually, that particular information is not me, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I require notice by that. What is the amount details spent on dry process? Yes, as of now, the plan is running by dry process.
Habayathu